Hi friends, we are here at Dallas Muslim Caucasian 19th iftar and dinner party, and we are lucky we have Miss Deborah Peoples with us, which is representing Fort
Yes,
Worth,
Fort
Tarrant
Worth.
County
Yes,
mayors here.
yes.
So how are you this morning?
Oh, I am just wonderful. It is good to be home with so many of my friends here tonight. And we did not have the iftar dinner last year because of COVID. And so it feels good to be with friends today.
Good, really good. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is our new. It looked like we grown up again
Yes.
because it's a new socialization. It's really getting started a little bit. Okay, so Miss Deborah, how long you are in this journey? This is your biggest journey.
So I serve as chair of the Tarrant County Democratic Party. So I have been working in the community for many years, and that is why I have so many friends here, because I wouldn't be chair of the party were it not for the Muslim Democratic Caucus. So I decided to run for mayor of the city. It started in January. I was the top vote getter last Saturday, and then we will vote again in a runoff on June the 5th, and I plan to be the mayor of Fort Worth, Texas.
So we hope you will be get this position.
Yes.
But this is my question: is this your first time running
No.
for?
No, I ran for mayor in 2019, and the Muslim Democratic Caucus supported me. We had very little money, and we won 43% of the vote against a four-term incumbent. So she is not running this time. We are very excited about the possibility of my becoming mayor of the city of Fort Worth and bringing everyone to the table. I loved what one of my friends said earlier. If you're not at the table, then you're probably on the menu. And we have so many extraordinary Muslim Americans and South Asian Americans that need to be involved in city government, and that is why I'm running to include everyone. Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, thank you for saying that.
Okay.
Miss Deborah, my question is, you are also participating with the Muslim Democrat Caucasian.
Yes.
So, what do you think about what's the future you are looking for in a future?
So one of the things I fight for is to bring everyone to the table and get everyone involved. And for those of you who don't know, Fort Worth is the 13th largest city in the United States. We are a very diverse city. We in terms of all of our different races and religions, and we have to acknowledge that and have everybody participate. So one of the things I want to do is work to make sure that we bring the Muslim Democratic Caucus members into the mainstream of city government.
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have you seen any growth in our Muslim groups? What's your thinking about? What's your idea?
Okay, about the election? Okay.
In the election, in Democrats and in politics?
So Fort Worth is a Democratic city, and so we believe that a Democrat can win mayor, but also we have great Muslim Americans that are running in Tarrant County. And as chair of Tarrant County, I work with all of those residents. And so we have Tinka Paudel, who's back over here, who's running. We have Diana Shayla, who is running in Arlington. Yeah. And so one of the things I do is support all of these great candidates. So I'm looking forward to a good election day.
Thank you so much. We
Thank
really
you.
appreciate, and we wish you would win this second time when it's going to be happening in June.
Yes.
So we are wishing for your
Thank you.
for your success. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very